Have you ever asked a woman a question? And watched her whole energy shift. Her eyes light up, she leans in. She suddenly can't stop talking to you. That's not random. That's not charm you either have or don't have. It's a specific kind of question, one that hits her psychology in a way small talk never will. Today, we're breaking down 6 questions that instantly turn a woman on. Not tricks, not manipulation, just a deep understanding of how female attraction actually works. And stick around till the end, because question number 6 is the one almost nobody uses, and it might be the most powerful one on this list. Let's start with a mistake most men make without even realizing it. They ask surface-level questions. What do you do? Where are you from? Do you come here often? These questions are safe. They're forgettable. And forgettable is the opposite of attractive. The women who talk about the guy who made her feel something different. He wasn't the best-looking guy in the room. He was the guy who asked questions nobody else did. So let's get into them. Question number 1. What's something you're passionate about that most people don't know? Here's why this works. Every woman has a version of herself she doesn't show the world. A hobby, a dream, a side of her personality she keeps private because most people never bother asking. When you ask this question, you're not just making conversation. You're telling her, without saying it directly, I see you as more than what's on the surface. Imagine this. You're on a first date. Instead of asking about her job, you ask this. Suddenly, she's telling you about the pottery class she secretly loves, or the novel she's been writing for 2 years that nobody knows about. That moment, that's connection. And connection is the foundation attraction is built on. Question number 2. What's a memory that still makes you smile? Most men think compliments are the fastest way to a woman's heart. Compliments are fine, but they're forgettable too, because everyone gives them. Nostalgia is different. When you ask her to relive a happy memory, something interesting happens in her brain. She's not just remembering the moment, she's re-experiencing the emotion of it. The warmth, the joy. And here's the psychological trick. She's feeling all of that. While looking at you, while talking to you. Her brain starts linking that warm feeling to the conversation she's having right now. This is called emotional transfer. It's one of the most underrated tools in attraction, and almost nobody uses it on purpose. Question number 3. And this one takes a bit of nerve. What kind of energy do you feel around me? Most men are terrified of this question because it feels too direct, too exposed. But that discomfort is exactly why it works. When you ask this, you're not fishing for a compliment. You're creating a moment of mutual vulnerability. She has to stop and actually think about how she feels around you, and in doing that, she starts noticing things she hadn't consciously registered yet. Suddenly, she's not just talking to you. She's analysing her own attraction to you in real time out loud. That tension? That's not awkward. That's chemistry being built in real time. Question number 4. What's something you've never told anyone? Now, a lot of guys avoid deep questions like this because they think it'll feel too heavy too soon. But here's what the psychology actually shows. Controlled vulnerability, sharing something private in a safe, low-pressure way, builds trust faster than almost anything else in early attraction. When you ask this question the right way, calm, curious, no pressure, you're signalling something rare. Emotional maturity. You're showing her you can hold space for something real, instead of just keeping things light and surface level forever. And rare. Is magnetic. Question number 5. If tonight had no rules, what would you want to do? This one isn't about being flirty for the sake of being flirty. It's deeper than that. This question gives her permission to imagine, to picture a version of the night, of the moment, of you two, without the usual social filters. And here's the key insight most people miss. Attraction doesn't live in logic. It lives in imagination. The moment she starts picturing possibilities, her brain is already halfway to being interested. She just hasn't admitted it yet. And now, question number 6. The one most men never think to ask. The underrated one. What makes you feel most like yourself? Think about how rare this question actually is. Most people ask what she does for work, where she's from, what her plans are. Practical questions. Logistics questions. This question is different. It's not asking what she does. It's asking who she is. And that distinction matters more than people realise. When someone asks you who you are, not what you do, not where you're from, but who you actually are when no one's watching, it hits differently. It makes her feel understood on a level most people, including people she's known for years, never bother to reach. So here's the pattern across all 6 of these questions. None of them are about being smooth. None of them are pickup lines. They all do one thing. They shift the conversation from surface level to something real. So maybe it's not about having the perfect lines to say. Maybe attraction was never really about what you say at all. Maybe it's about making someone feel something they didn't expect to feel, something most conversations never even come close to. If this gave you a new perspective on how attraction actually works, hit subscribe, because we break down female psychology like this every single week. And before you go, I want to know, out of these 6 questions, which one would you actually try first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one.